What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. So today we're going to be changing out some GPUs in the at-home mining rig setup. So over here we have some of these EVGA 2060s. I'm going to be phasing those out and selling a majority of them off. So we got like two up there, two right there, 1, 2, 3 down there. Going to be pulling those 2060s out, replacing them with 3070s. So right here we have a nice matching set of 6 gigabyte 3070s. I'm temporarily going to be borrowing these from my friend over at Hawk Crypto Mining. So thank you for that, Hawk. I appreciate you letting me use these for a little while to get closer to that coin goal, and then eventually these will make it over to him, and he'll mine something with it, maybe some Shiba. But anyway, yeah, it's time to pull those off and get these bad boys on. So I don't know, I lost my train of thought. Oh, here's another one. This is another gigabyte 3070, so nice and pretty. All right, so we added 2 more 3070s up here, pulled those 2 2060s off. I'm gonna leave this 2060 for the time being because it's a Zotac and it's probably not gonna sell well, and I'll have to discount it down. So might as well just keep them working in the mines. Back to work. So let me plug this back in. Let these fire back up. The fans are spinning, that's good, that's good. I could probably fit more cards on this if I swapped out this 750 watt power supply. So that's definitely holding us back. I need to put a 1200 watt on this, and then I could fill out this one. All right, so going down here, need to pull those EVGAs off. All right, so at the moment I flipped all the GPUs over to Flux. Let's see here. We're getting 726.5 sols. And then I do have some of the CPUs mining, 1.5K, 200, 150, 300, and 1.8K. And that's XMR. Both of these are going to unmineable and paying out into Shiba. Big shout out to, let's see here. Oh, Motang is hooking me up with a little bit of hash on what is this, K heavy 164 gigahash. I think that's a is that a KSO Pro? I'm not sure. But also, let's see here, CPU Matt M, thank you, he's hooking me up with 9.9 kilohash at the moment. My main computer's not on here. It is about 5K. I haven't had it mining within the last, I don't know, it's probably been like maybe a day or so, give or take. But we do have some GPUs on there. So our stats right now is past 24-hour rewards, 231,000 Shiba in a day. So not too shabby. As of right now, Shiba price, Shiba Inu is $23 per million. So yeah, at 200,000, it's not great. So that's what 100,000 would be $2.30. 200,000, $4.60. So almost $5 a day. But it's like, it comes out to like rough math, almost $5 a day on way too many cards. I did have these mining some other things, but for some reason I was having some issues with some iron. Was it iron flux or whatever? Iron hash, iron fish. Goodness, I can't talk. Anyway, it's getting late. I was also doing Kapow, but these cards were running significantly hotter mining Kapow. I have them in my garage, so I put them on Flux and I pulled the power back a little bit. And they seem to like it. They're mining smooth. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna jump off here. Thank y'all for coming out. I will see you on the next one. Adios.